Thank you for calling your digital manager. I can help you.
Hi, what's your name?
Arian,
Hi, Aryan. Good afternoon. May I ask you kindly to let Francis Leo Marcos know that Attorney Savvy is downstairs waiting for him?
I'm so sorry for that, ma'am, but we don't have... allow me to double check in our system.
Yeah. If there's no Francis Leo Marcos there?
One moment, I'll double check in the system.
All right. Duwag talaga, no?
Thank you for holding, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm so sorry, but there's no...
Okay, I understand you don't have to deny it anymore.
Yes,
That person is a coward. We know that he's there, okay, because I have people checked in your hotel that knows that he's there. You don't need to confirm it to me. I don't really give a damn, but let him know if you can after this phone call that I am going to wait until 6 o'clock downstairs, okay? If he has the balls, come down. Because he just asked me to come by. Sabi niya, pumunta ako dito. Ngayon, nandito ako sa baba ninyo. Tapos ngayon, denial of, Denial? Wala siya dyan?
yes, ma'am.
Galing. So, can you confirm there's no Francis Leo Marcos checked in into your Heritage Hotel?
Yes, ma'am, I'm so sorry.
Alright, okay.
We don't have...
So, Cowardo. Alright, thank you very much, Iha.